If there's a reason you've been waiting for. If there's a feeling you've been waiting on. If there's a season you've been changing for. If there's a reason you've been waiting